Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we will be doing a poem named The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farjian. So without any delay, let's start our poem. So by the name itself you can see this poem is about a quarrel. Quarrel means when you fight with someone. So here siblings are fighting, brother and sister. So it's common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? And how do they end? So, to get the answers of these questions, let's read on this poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So, here in the first para, the sister is saying that I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about कि मैंने अपने ब्रदर से झगड़ा किया है पर मुझे याद नहीं किस बारे में हमारा झगड़ा हुआ है. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. And वो जो झगड़ा था वो छोटी सी बात से स्टार्ट हुआ था और एक सीरीज ऑफ फाइट वो बन गया. छोटी सी बात से लेके वो एक बड़ी बात बन गई एंड समहाउ वी फेल आउट और हमारा झगड़ा हो गया. द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट वॉज स्लाइट मतलब जब झगड़ा स्टार्ट हुआ वो बहुत ही छोटी सी बात पे बहुत ही छोटा सा झगड़ा था, स्मॉल था. स्लाइट मीन्स स्मॉल. द एंड ऑफ इट वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग पर वो झगड़ा बड़ा होता होता बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया एंड में. ही सेड ही वॉज राइट, आई न्यू ही वॉज रॉन्ग. वो कह रहा था, मेरा ब्रदर कह रहा था कि वो सही है पर मुझे पता था कि वो गलत है. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." So here the poetess is saying we hated one another. Hated means we disliked one another because of that fight. The afternoon turned black. That afternoon, which was shining at the moment, it turned black for us. Why? Why it turned black for us? Because we were quarreling so much. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. पर तभी मेरे ब्रदर ने अचानक से, सडनली मीन्स अचानक से, मुझे बैक पर थंप किया. थंप करना मतलब आराम से हिट करना. एंड सेड, ओह कम अलोंग, वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट. एंड ही सेड, चलो छोड़ो भी जो भी हमारी फ़ाइट हुई, अब हम ये फ़ाइट लेके पूरी रात तक झगड़ा थोड़ी करते रहेंगे. आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, सो ही वॉज इन द राइट. सो मेरे ब्रदर ने कहा कि ठीक है मेरी गलती थी, तो क्योंकि उसने अपनी गलती मान ली तो वो सही था. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द पोम द क्वेरल. And it was about the silly quarrels that take place among siblings. And these quarrels start with foolish reasons, but one thing leads to another and they turn into full blown fights. Nobody is ready to admit defeat, but by the evening, one or the other admits his or her fault, and everything is pacified. So, guys, this was the poem The Quarrel. I hope that you understood this poem. I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please comment below about it. And I'll meet you in my next video. Till the time, take care. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.